Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Remember I mentioned my incredible trip to Oman? Well, get ready because today we start exploring the treasures of this fascinating country, and the first one is simply breathtaking. After showing that first glimpse of the trip, I decided to create a video series to take you along with me, detailing the places and moments that left the biggest impression on me. And I couldn't start anywhere else but the majestic Sultan Qaboos Grand Mosque in Muscat. Imagine arriving and being greeted by this sight. Immaculate white marble glistening in the sun, perfectly manicured gardens inviting tranquility, and 5 elegant minarets reaching for the sky, symbolizing the 5 pillars of Islam. The scale is impressive, but there's an incredible harmony in the entire design. Every angle reveals a new detail, a new perspective. Just walking through the outer courtyards is an experience in itself. Feeling the breeze and admiring contemporary Islamic architecture at its finest. But it's upon entering the main prayer hall that you're truly left speechless. The impact is immediate. Your eyes are instantly drawn to 2 marvels. First, the central chandelier. It's one of the largest in the world, a monumental piece dripping with thousands of Swarovski crystals that illuminates the space in a magical way. It's hard to look away. And then, beneath our feet, the Persian carpet. Hand-woven as a single, colossal piece by hundreds of artisans over several years, it covers the entire floor of the main hall. The details, the colors, the intricate patterns. It's a gigantic and incredibly complex work of art. Notice the arches, the mosaics, the calligraphy, the stained glass. Everything was meticulously designed to create an atmosphere of beauty, reverence, and peace. Even with other visitors around, you feel a deep serenity inside here. Beyond the main hall, there are other equally beautiful spaces, elegant arcaded corridors, cooling fountains, and details that transport you. The atmosphere is one of respect, but also very welcoming. It's a place of faith, but also a work of art open to the world, a testament to Omani culture and hospitality. I spent quite some time just taking it all in, every detail, every feeling. It's one of those places that gets etched in your memory. So what did you think of this virtual visit to the Sultan Qaboos Grand Mosque? I hope these images conveyed some of the magnificence of this place. If you liked the video, please don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And if you haven't already, please subscribe so you don't miss the next episodes of this journey through Oman. I'd love to know your thoughts. What impressed you the most about the mosque? The chandelier, the carpet, the exterior architecture? Let me know in the comments below. I love reading your reactions. In the next video, we'll continue exploring Muscat and discover other charms of the Omani capital. Stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching and for joining me on this adventure. See you in the next video. Bye!